Look down, little brother, you got your head in the clouds. You thinking you're something, you thinking you're proud. Not proud of you, what, who, where, and when. What kind of crazy punk future you think? You got a future and you thinking you can, but that's an illusion. No point trying so hard, just get used to exclusion from fairy tale. So sleep with no dreams, no one listening to the screams of your boys, or cares about you. So yes, reality check, chips out of powder, but just try to get right. So look down, little sister, look down, and keep your nobody peace down here. I'm gonna
think that I can, I at least want to try. I'll fly high, rumors I'll get pulled down from the sky. I'm a child of God, the daughter of a king, with ambition and help, watch me reach anything. My knee deep in potential, I got something to prove, cause I'm somebody cause we got nothing to lose. Everything we gain and upwards I'm climbing. It's not just scary, but I'm not falling down crying. I'm seeing the day, I'm reaching the high end, cause I know my true depth is only found at the deep end.
Oh no, what? Look down, look down!
What?
Seize the day!
Open the gates and seize the day. Nothing can break you, no one can make you give your rights away. Arise and seize the day.
She's looking in the mirror when she gets up in the morning. Like,
She's so weird. Does she not realize that people don't like her?
for sure. You know, you just don't have enough strength to climb this mountain, right?
I mean, everyone's scared, but they didn't really think you could do it. They just didn't want you to feel bad.
You think that you can climb this mountain? Are you crazy? You can't climb this mountain.
Help! Please, anybody help!
Please, you're a joke. Oh my gosh. You're funny. You can't
Yeah,
climb
I
this
know
mountain.
it's
You
my
can't.
camera.
You can't climb it.
There's just no way to defeat them. I'm just not good enough.
Oh, hush, don't be silly. Of course you can. And like the rest of you,
So how are we supposed to fight them?
well, you see, it's quite easy. All you have to do is realize that you're good enough to make it. All you see goes.
Looking words like nails and swords and weapons that you use against me. Knock me off my feet again, got me feel like nothing. With your voice like nails on chalkboard, calling me out when I'm losing. Taking all we can land. You can take me down, just one little blow. But you don't know, someday I'll be
Come on, Lucy. Be quiet. Stand up.
What are you doing?
Like, dude.
What about you?
Oh, obviously.
Oh, yeah, obviously. My bad. Can I join you?
Sure. You want me to take a picture?
Awesome. Thanks.
Of course we can play all day. I mean, YOLO! Señorita! Look, do you want to get home or not? You're being distracted. Even though none of this stuff looks bad. In fact, it looks like a lot of fun. No! What I mean is, you're wasting your time. And you never reach your father this way. And before I forget, Yoda says, don't give up, man. Almost there you are.
Do not take us lightly! We are the three-headed bald monster of temptation. You must answer our questions, or you shall not pass.
So, like the Sphinx, right?
Oh! We're way cooler than that cat.
Isn't he a lion?
I don't know. We ask questions here, eh?
Alright.
Alright. Let's tries to get to first base.
Good one, good one.
I would tell this boy that if he really wanted to go on a date with me, that he would have to win.
All right, how about if the whole world's against you unless you would renounce your father?
I'm never alone. My father will always be there for me. If the world was on that low, I wouldn't want them on my side either.
You may be a good hero, eh? But you'll never miss this one. What's your favorite color?
Blue? No, wait, red!
Shall not pass!
No, please, I have to get back to my father.
Knock it out.
Who are you?
Come on, Dragon Warrior, Station of all China. Three-headed monster guy. Now I have your infamous mushy finger holder. You don't know who I am? No! Forget it. Skadoosh!
Made it home, happy young one. Where have you been? Go up, you must.
Thanks, Yoda.
Welcome home, my child. I'm very proud of you. Look around. Because you decided to stand in holy places, everything that I have, I give to you.